Yo, what is going on? Today is November 13. We're halfway into the month of November. One more month until December 2026, New Year's, all of that. But today we have another trade, another win. Grateful to God always. Coming into market, I don't really have any ideas. I don't come in the market with a bias. So today was just look and react. So coming in though, I kind of did want higher due to the 1 second. On the 15, my chart is ridiculously messy. But if we look right here, coming into market open, we have all of these draws to the upside, and we don't have any draws to the downside, as you can see right here. Once we pass or fill the new week opening gap, it's just a dead space till this next liquidity point, which is 530 points away. But whereas to the upside, we have all of our draws, and I trade draws, so if there's no draw, I can't trade into it. So potentially we'd want a sweep of our new week opening gap and a reversal to all of the draws that we have to the upside, potentially all-time highs later down the week. I mean, today's Thursday, not later down the week, but maybe next week. But seeing that coming into market, we have this beautiful tap at 8:30. We fall 150 points, 200 points on market open into the new week opening gap. And if we let this play out, we see that V-shaped recovery that is very common once you get a sweep. And so my idea was we flip this 15. I'm going to take longs. We have all of these draws to the upside. And probably take a long like this. If we don't flip it, I look for shorts. And we see that we respected it the first time, but the second time we did flip it. And so seeing that we flipped it, I did want to take longs, but I didn't like that. I didn't like the pullback. I didn't like taking a pullback into this inverse. I felt like it was a little bit too early. I just didn't like it, but it would have printed like a 50-point move. We see this retest right here on the 1 minute. You could take this. I would have targeted on this 85, or not this 85, this 8:30 a.m. manipulation wick at 5:02, and I would have had my stops right here below the fair value gap, or probably below this one. And it did print, but it didn't. It failed to take out this high, which is hindsight. But I'm saying that I just didn't like it, and I also wouldn't have hit my TP on it, even though we did flip this 15-minute bear. So I was just waiting. I was waiting. And then we see right here, we flipped this 1 minute gap, but that didn't really matter to me. I was looking for a higher time frame gap, and we see that we have this 3 minute gap right here. I did end up front running this gap. I know I do trade ICT, so it's usually like I no inverse, no trade. Because if you don't see that inverse, then you are kind of gambling, and there could be that what's it called? That reversal back to the upside. But just due to the fact that we failed to take out this higher high right here, even though we did flip this 15-minute bear, we never ended up filling this new week opening gap, and we were below the 50% consequent encroachment on this 3 minute bull gap. All of it was just showing me lower, and so I did front run the gap, and it did print 75 points, and we are now currently filling. We just now filled the opening gap. We just now filled it. Let me show you my accounts. As we can see right here, took it on all my accounts, 1,500. All of my accounts right here for $7,471. Nice trade, easy trade for Thursday. Super grateful to God, man. Every day he does it. I hope y'all caught a dub today. That is my recap.